If you're a small business looking for a review management software that helps you manage reviews across Google Business, Trustpilot, and much more, I'm going to show you a tool called Famewall.io, which is precisely going to help you with this. I'll also break down the features which you might require as a small business to keep all your reviews intact in one place and use them in your marketing as necessary to get more customers without having to put a lot of effort into managing these. So let me get right into Famewall's dashboard. So once you're inside Famewall, after you create a free account, so you can create a testimonial wall inside Famewall's dashboard. A testimonial wall basically is a project into which you can have all your reviews, widgets, landing pages, collection pages, everything in one place. So for instance, you can use one particular wall for a project which you are building as of late. And for another wall, you can use to collect and manage reviews, which you are going to be using for Facebook and Meta ads. So like this, you can manage this easily. So let's just get inside a wall. The first thing you see is My Testimonials. So you have all your reviews from across different platforms in one place. As you can see, I've already imported it from X, LinkedIn, there's even Trustpilot and Google Business as well. So if you're coming in for the first time, you'll have to use this option called the Add or Import Testimonial. So here you'll see a variety of sources which you can use as a small business. For example, you might be already having reviews on your specific testimonial page. So you can simply paste that link over here and fetch all those reviews and import them here. You have option to import from X, LinkedIn, and even platforms like Trustpilot and Google Business as well. So you simply paste your link and you add or import reviews. So let me show you how it works for Google Business. For this example, let me do Starbucks. And Starbucks review should load up quickly. So as you can see here, Famewall just imported me all the Google reviews and I can manually approve which ones I would like to display on my wall. So I can add this specific Google review, for example. So you can see it getting added in the background behind my wall. So here it's been added, and likewise you can add all your reviews from Trustpilot, and there's even an option to import it from Yelp too. So there are a lot of business integrations and URLs you can import from, be it Amazon, Google reviews, Trustpilot, and so on. You can also embed your TikTok videos and comments over here as testimonials. So this option allows you to manage your reviews which are scattered across different places, and you don't have to painfully go through each and every one of them. That's about importing the testimonials into Famewall, which you have already across different platforms. In case you want to collect new reviews, be it videos or text, you have the collection page option here. So this is going to be a custom landing page, as you can see here. So this is a custom collection page which your customers will be able to open up on their mobile devices or even desktop, and they'll be able to send in a text review or even record a video. So there's options for sending in a text with these specific prompts which you can enable in your configuration panel. Otherwise, you can also have a simple old school form displayed over here, and customers can simply answer your questions which you ask them and send you a testimonial. There are multiple options like recording a video or sending even an image testimonial. So it's pretty flexible, and it's up to you to configure and customize it according to your own branding. For example, there are different primary colors as you can see here, and you can also configure the testimonial homepage with your own custom video so that your customers have a personal touch and feel when they see this custom landing page when they open it up on their devices. And you have all the options to even auto approve collected testimonials in case you have a lot of reviews which are going to be coming in after you send out a testimonial campaign. You can simply toggle this, and once a customer submits a testimonial, it gets over to your collected testimonials tab here. As you can see, even if you don't want to auto approve collected testimonials, you can review it manually. And there are multiple options to also increase your chances of getting a review. For example, we have this incentive discount scratch card. So when you enable this, your customer on your landing page will be able to see a message that submit a testimonial, they'll be able to unlock a special reward. And what it would look like is once your customer submits a specific review, be it a text or video, they'll be able to see a scratch card here, and they can scratch this to get a discount or a promo code from your business. You can use this incentive to increase your chances of getting a video review as well. And as you know, video reviews have a lot of social proof and will help in converting prospects into customers. So there are options to set this up on your custom domain page and also customize the appearance, how they would appear when you share the link on social media or WhatsApp or other channels. So now that we've covered how you can have reviews in one place, the interesting thing is that Famewall doesn't just have all your reviews in just one place for namesake. You can put them to work and make them help you with marketing by converting customers. So for that, we have the testimonial widget feature. So with testimonial widgets, you'll be able to display these widgets on your own website. There are plenty of support for all different websites, be it WordPress, Squarespace, Webflow, you name it. There's support for almost 30 plus platforms. Not just limited to these platforms, there are also support to other platforms as well. In case you have any specific requirements, do hit us in the customer chat and we'll be happy to help you out as well. And regarding this widget too, you can customize the appearance, select different widget formats like carousel widgets or the dual slider widgets, and also select among different widget types here. As you can see, appearance of the widgets will change. All these are free and you can choose and customize and play with. An interesting feature in the display widgets is that you can also toggle and enable the AI review summary feature here. So once you enable the AI review summary, it will analyze all your reviews and get a summary which will be displayed on top, so that your customers can read through this review summary at a glance and understand the social proof behind it. This will be pretty useful for you as a small business when you want to convert customers who have specific doubts in their minds. And the next interesting thing is the Wall of Fame page here. So the Wall of Fame page is a custom landing page with all your social proof with your own branding and customization appearance. For example, let me open up the Wall of Fame page for Famewall. As you can see, it loads up a full-length landing page over here. You can customize this call to action as well. And you can set up your own custom links at the top. Some good ideas would be to have a call to book a call with you or direct them to your pricing page or your sales page and so on. So this would be useful for you as a small business when you're trying and interacting with customers. And you can also categorize all these testimonials into different categories, be it video testimonials, ease of use, and so on. There are options to categorize your reviews here. As you can see, there's this categorize feature as well. So this helps you stay organized with all your different reviews, even if they grow more. And the next interesting feature that we can look at is the review schema and snippet, which you will find pretty useful, especially if you have a lot of star ratings on your reviews. Let me click on review schema and start snippet. So you have this review schema snippet over here. So once you paste this embed code on your head tag of your website in HTML, you'll be able to see the star rating over here. And it will appear as social proof as customers even search for specific keywords on Google search engine. This would come in pretty handy when you have a lot of competitors for your small business and you intend to convert a specific customer as they see you on Google search. And not just this, you also have the option to share your testimonials and reviews which you have collected and aggregated across different platforms on platforms like social media as well. For example, you can click on this generate image and you can customize how you would like to generate an image from a testimonial and use it across different platforms like LinkedIn, Stories, X, and Facebook, and so on. And you can download this image for free and then share it across your social media platforms. And there's also this social sharing option over here. So you can select a specific review, as you can see here, and this would play as a video with fancy animations here. And you can download this video and share it across your social platforms as well. And another interesting feature is if you have a lot of reviews, sometimes you might want to analyze them and use that feedback to help better your product or service. So you can click on any of these insights as well. So let me just do what customers like the most. This will in turn start to analyze my testimonials and find out what I can focus on so that I can use this on my landing page copy to my advantage as a small business owner. So as you can see, it gives you a detailed overview of your business reviews. So this is about how you can use your testimonial wall to collect aggregate reviews and display them as social proof. Let's get to the automation part here. So there's the section called automation here on Famewall. So here we have the automation which works with Zapier, Webhook, and even Make.com. So you can set up specific automations like sending a gift card when someone sends you a video testimonial, or sending a thank you email when somebody submits you a testimonial, or getting the Google reviews and video reviews to a specific Google Drive if you want. You have plenty of automations. So this will easily integrate Famewall with 5,000 plus apps on Zapier, Make.com as well. And if you are a power user of AI tools like Claude and Codex, there's also an API here. So you can use this API to automatically import reviews and display them with your own UI as well. So Famewall is flexible with APIs too. So this might be worthwhile if you have some technical knowledge or you are free to use AI tools. But even then, without this too, you can use the automation here, which is already available for you. You can also add your team members. So you can add your team members here to manage your Famewall reviews in one place. You can also add your virtual assistants and so on. And now let's get to the pricing of Famewall. So Famewall has a pretty affordable pricing here. As you can see, it also offers monthly and a yearly plan with 20% off on the plan. So the free plan starts with $0 per month. You have option to collect up to 10 testimonials. If you're just testing the platform out, you can start with this. It also allows for a video testimonial and an audio testimonial. And it pretty much allows everything, most of the features. The only difference is that you might be limited with the customization options in the free plan, but you can use this to get started and to understand how social proof works. So you can choose the standard plan if you are a small solopreneur or if you are a creator who helps small businesses. So this allows up to unlimited testimonials, but a cap on the number of video testimonials, since this plan is more suited for individual creators. And then professional or business plan is for power users. You have unlimited video testimonials, audio, and all the testimonials are unlimited here. So this actually might help you understand why Famewall would rank as a good review management software for your small business. In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments, or if you have any specific queries, do hit me up. I'll see you soon in another helpful tutorial. Bye.